We are super excited to offer the Information in Digital Age cluster this summer. There are two different classes. So one of them is a credit-bearing LRNE class, which will explore how to kind of get your foot in the door in the journalism, communication, information industry. And then we also have a workshop. And the workshop is really exciting. I recommend pairing them together, but you can also take them individually. The workshop will give you a little bit of a foundational expertise in journalism, and we're also going to be working on a project. You will be profiling, so you'll be writing about someone that you know and exploring what their life is like, what a day in their life is like during COVID. We also have an instructor from media, David Santamaria, who will be helping you create the video aspect of your project, and then Michael Moya from photography, who will help you with the photo aspect. So it will be like a story, a video, and photo project all together. It's not graded, so there isn't any pressure, but we will help you from beginning to end to craft your project. And what else could I say about it? Yeah, I mean, we're just discussing very relevant, timely issues in journalism, which, as you know, is very exciting right now.